Hey guys, it's Jared with Lightshine 3D Services. I just wanted to do a quick video to show you how to put the jig that you laser cut out of acrylic, how to attach it to an Epilog rotary attachment. So it's pretty easy to do. All you do is raise up your scissor lift like I have shown here, and then you just want to make sure that you've backed off a little bit on these nuts right here. So that there's plenty of room for this to slide under and all the way up to the top. And then just drop your rotary back down all the way. You actually could skip this if you're going to have it up high anyway. But this just holds everything nice in place. And then just hand tighten these nuts back up. You just want to be barely snug. You don't really want to go too tight on that. And then this little back plate right here goes right on the back. Your screw goes through like that and like that. And then these nuts here, you just want to get them kind of hand tight too. You don't really want to snug them up too hard. It just takes more time. It's not going to damage anything. I guess if you really cranked on it with a screwdriver, you could probably break the acrylic, but all you need is just some hand tight right there, and then just recheck your nuts down here to make sure that those are snug. And then this right here is all adjustable, so you can, if you want the wheels to be a little bit closer in, you can do that. If you want them further out, you can do that too. The one thing I will caution you on, make sure that they're even on each side. Just kind of give the threads a look and make sure that that thread there is about the same as this one here. If you're having some problems with a cup trying to walk on you, that might be the problem. If you tilt this forward or backwards, it's going to cause the cup to walk, so you want those to be even. Anyway, you can now raise your rotary attachment, and it's completely solid and snug. If you were to pop a cup on here, what I like to do is just get it to where it's level and sets on the wheels, and then just back off a little bit on this back plate here. You want to see daylight. You don't really want it to be rubbing on the cup permanently. You just want to see a little bit of daylight there, but you also want to make sure that it's in place in case the cup tried to walk backwards. It has no place to go. Alright, hopefully this helps. Let me know if you have any questions.